Hello guys. Welcome to Trusted Auto. In this video, we are going to talk about a variety of best shop vacs for cars in 2022 and how we have categorized them into a list starting from numbers 5, 4, 3 and so on. The best shop vac is discreetly described by examining its composition, structure and durability. So do watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments section if you liked the video. Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Plus do share this video with your friends. Each of the products has its link below in the description box so you can find more information about them. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. On number 5, we have Stanley Wet Dry Vacuum. It's common for shop vacs to be round, bulky and not so slim in design, but the Stanley Wet Dry Vacuum is different. This easy-to-maneuver vacuum has a lightweight and compact design, which makes it easy to carry and even easier to store. The body of the vacuum has 4 swivel casters that provide nice maneuverability and make vacuuming smaller rooms a simple task. Plus the collection tank is slim and narrow, meaning it won't take up as much space. And this 4-gallon shop vac doesn't cut corners when it comes to power. With the 4-horsepower motor, you're going to get good suction power. The shop vac comes with several handy accessories too, so you can get to those hard-to-reach areas. Unfortunately, despite the perks of this shop vac, it does also have some drawbacks. Some components, including the accessories, are made out of cheap plastic and are prone to breaking or weakness. Moving on to number 4, we have the DeWALT Poly Wet Dry Vac. If you're looking for a professional wet dry vac that will be able to handle small to medium jobs, then the DeWALT Poly Wet Dry Vac might just be the one for you. It's portable, but still sturdy enough, with a 6-gallon tank to soak up any workshop or car spillages. Built specifically for garage and vehicle use, this shop vac is easy to manage and work with, and it'll offer enough suction for plenty of different jobs. It can even be used at job sites for daily clean-up. It also boasts a built-in blower port that can blow debris and sawdust from any workshop as well as leaves from the yard. Plus with ultra-durable rubberized caster wheels, you'll enjoy smooth swiveling and therefore a smooth vacuuming experience. This shop vac doesn't come with any accessories or attachments that can limit your ability to clean crevices and tight spots. On number 3, we have WORKSHOP Wet Dry Vac. The WORKSHOP Wet Dry Vac is a great option if you're looking for serious reliability and speedy performance. This shop vac means business, and WORKSHOP stands behind it with an impressive 5-year limited warranty that provides you with long-term peace of mind. Plus, this shop vac is quick to clean up messes. It has a high capacity for spillages and debris and boasts a 16-gallon tank with a 6.5 peak horsepower motor. This beast can pick up 1 gallon of water per second. The quick lock filtering system allows fast wet and dry vacuum filter changes, and there's a large drain port at the base of the vacuum so you can easily empty it. Lastly, the WORKSHOP vac also provides an integrated blowing port that allows the user to blow unwanted debris from the workspace, home or garage. On number 2, we have Craftsman 16-gallon wet dry shop vacuum. When it comes to power and serious cleaning tasks, the Craftsman 16-gallon wet dry shop vacuum with attachments is hard to beat. This shop vac runs on a 6.5 peak horsepower motor, and it can hold up to 16 gallons of dirt, debris, and wet messes. It's designed to be a heavy-duty vacuum, giving you extra power for large projects in your garage, shop, or even inside your car. With a built-in rear blowing port, you'll be able to blow away leaves and clipping in seconds. An oversized built-in drain lets you get rid of liquids easily. And thanks to Craftsman's dual flex technology, you'll get 180 degrees of hose mobility at either end for fewer kinks and hose issues. Plus with 8 attachments and a 3-year limited warranty, you'll be covered for almost anything. The only real downside to this shop vac is the included dust bag. It doesn't hold much dust, and it isn't really great at filtering out dust overall. In the first place, we have Armor All Utility Wet Dry Vacuum. The Armor All Utility Wet Dry Vacuum is especially good for use inside a car as it's been designed to pick up both wet and dry debris. This model even comes with the right type of accessories needed for cars and motorcycles. One of the top features is the vacuum can be converted so it can blow, which is fantastic for removing dust and debris from your vehicle as well as drying your car grills and wheels. Designed for cleaning both wet and dry spillages, this handy shop vac can really do it all. As a bonus, this powerful vacuum is quiet too, thanks to the built-in air and noise diffuser. It's a powerful little machine with a 2-horsepower motor that automatically shuts off when it detects that the tank is full. Additionally, the vac features a 10-foot cord, 6-foot hose and vehicle-specific tools, including a deluxe card nozzle, blower nozzle and detail brush. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below which are updated to the latest prices. Thanks for watching, hope to see you guys in the next video, until then goodbye.